Step into a world where timeless charm and modern elegance harmoniously blend. Introducing Windsor Road L13 in Liverpool. This exquisite student abode unveils a stunning 6-bedroom apartment offering the perfect blend of comfort and culture. Each apartment here features a private room adorned with high-speed Wi-Fi, a shared bathroom, a generously spacious open-plan living and dining area, and a communal kitchen that will have you feeling right at home. Located just a short 10-minute drive from the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University, your academic pursuits are also well within reach. And guess what? There's a Tesco Express less than a mile away, along with an M&S Foodhall and an Asda supermarket, all within easy reach. Love going to the movies? Well, you're in for a treat. Discover Showcase, Picturehouse, and Everyman cinemas, all just a short drive from your doorstep. For those who prefer train travel, Wavertree Technology Park Station is just a 10-minute drive away, making exploring the city a breeze. Your journey to Windsor Road L13 begins now. Don't wait, your new home is just a click away. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.